The surprising health benefits of onions. Hello, in this video, we will explore the main benefits that onions can bring to our health. Although often used as a seasoning in various kitchens around the world, onions offer much more than just flavor. Let's discover how this common vegetable can improve our health in several ways. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe and like the video to support our work. Nutrient source. Onions are an excellent source of essential nutrients for our bodies. They are rich in vitamins C and B6, folate, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients are vital for proper immune system function, bone health, energy production, and maintaining cellular balance. Antioxidant properties. Onions contain antioxidant compounds such as quercetin, which help combat the damage caused by free radicals in our bodies. These antioxidants have anti-inflammatory properties, protect cells against oxidative stress, and may reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that regular onion consumption can have positive effects on cardiovascular health. The compounds present in onions can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels, and improve the health of blood vessels. This can help prevent heart diseases such as atherosclerosis. Antibacterial and antifungal effects. Onions possess natural antimicrobial properties that can help combat bacteria and fungi. Studies indicate that onion extracts can be effective against different types of microorganisms, including bacteria that cause common infections and fungi that can affect skin health. However, it is important to note that onions do not replace proper medical treatment but can be used as a complementary measure. Potential anti-inflammatory effects. The presence of anti-inflammatory compounds in onions may benefit individuals with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Additionally, these compounds may help reduce allergic symptoms such as rhinitis and asthma. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to leave your comment. Tell me if you like and use onions in your daily life.